Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about the Vantrue Dashcam Hardwire Kit. I've been using this for a while, so this review is to tell you that it's working for some time. It works pretty fine. So let me just show you the details here. It's for DC 12 volts or 24 volts. And output is DC 5 volts with 2000 milliamps. And it works with battery for 12 volts or 24 volts. It cuts the current when you have, let's say, 11.6 volts or 23.2. That's to protect your battery so the battery does not drain, right? Especially when you're using this kit when parking mode, of course, that you don't have your engine on. You don't want to drain the battery, right? So I already have installed in my car, so I don't have everything here, but basically the kit brings everything that you need. All the cables, different cables depending on the type of car you have, the fuse, different fuses here that you can use, okay, and all the cables that you need, right? Let me just show here in the menu the information about the installation, because I got mine installed already on my car. So here we go. This is the Vantrue guide, okay. So here you have all the information about the installation. So you have the kit with everything, all the cables, the fuses, and basically here you're gonna use in different situations with 11.6 volts or 23.2, depending on the battery that you have. You just need to switch here a button and you can choose, right? And here you're gonna use connecting to your fuse box. So you have the information about the fuses that you could have depending on your car. So all the necessary information and also installation. Okay, you're going to remove the fuse from the box, and then you're gonna install the kit and the ground wiring kit as well. Just like this. It's pretty easy. I could install mine like pretty quick, and you're ready to go. Okay, and have warranty and support. And you have here different languages as well, the same explanation. Okay, so basically just going to connect one of this. Let me just get one here. So here we go. Here's the fuse, right? And this one you're going to connect to the fuse box. So you remove a fuse from there and connect this one, and then you have the fuse that comes here, that goes here. Of course, you're gonna remove this. I need a plier for this because it's pretty hard to pull this from here, but with a plier you can do it, and then you use your fuse that you have there back here. Okay, so the installation is pretty simple. It's working there. Okay, so that's the Vantrue one. I like it and I recommend it.